Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I have some exciting roles from ABS Kids. And for folks that do not know what ABS Kids does, they are an organization that focuses on children with autism. So their focus is really kids with autism. They help manage and they collaborate with the parents to continue to make life easier for children with autism. I particularly very impressed with some of these roles. They have social media, they have event planning. So let's dive right in. Before we do that, though, I do want to just encourage you to hit the subscribe button if you're watching me for the first time. And for those that are already subscribed, please remember to have your notification bell turned on so you are notified real time whenever I do post new leads. So let's dive right in. The first position we're going to be talking about is this position titled Application Support Specialist. Okay. This position, as the title implies, you are going to be focusing on systems. You're going to be support to the staff to make sure that their systems are working as it should. As you can see on here, they do have data entry, they have system support, they have troubleshooting as well. So, but they did put basic. So to me, that's important, which means that this position is not really requiring you to have a whole lot of experience, but instead some experience to sort of help you navigate some basic issues that staff may encounter. It is a work from home. It does say here you're going to be working Pacific time zones. The salary is $18 to $19 per hour based on qualifications. They do offer full package, benefits package for this, which includes like 401k and so forth. They're talking about frequent feedback training, provide all equipment you will need. That is definitely a perk. It's a business casual work environment. You're going to be escalating technical issues. You're going to be tracking and documenting any type of issues that do come through the ticketing system, because this is very similar to help desks. It's just titled differently, but you are really going to be doing help desk support type of activities. That's really what this position is about. They're asking for 1 year experience supporting business SaaS applications, proficiency in Microsoft Office, being able to work in high demand type of workplace, etc. So that's what they are looking for this position. If you notice, there is no education requirement for this job. So just keep that in mind. I'm still going to come back and do a detailed video on different IT jobs that people should be applying for, especially if you're just entry level and you're looking to get into IT. So I will do a video that kind of encompass different title of jobs that you should be looking for as you begin your search. So that is this position. We're going to go to the next role. The next role is a social media specialist. This individual is going to provide support on the social media front, from like creating, scheduling, publishing, sourcing content, and so forth in all of their social media platforms. It is a fully remote role. They're just saying that on occasion, they will need this individual to come into the Sugarland, Texas office. It's $25 per hour based on qualifications. You are entitled to the full package, frequent feedback training, and this position, similar to the others, will also provide you with equipment to work from home. You're going to be collaborating to develop contact calendars. You're going to be brainstorming ideas about different campaigns. So, which means that you're really going to be immersed into the entire organization. And I think that's a huge benefits, because you're going to have to interface with different people, whether leadership, upper leadership, executives, and so forth. Different campaigns and different marketing goals. You're going to be collaborating a lot with different people around the organization. You're going to oversee strategic type of jobs. You're going to also company and work with people to make sure that their ideas are being heard. You're also going to be doing a lot of implementing of engagement type of content, be it on Facebook, on Instagram, and so forth. Really, this individual is also going to track failures, track success, and kind of be able to put those trends into like a presentable manner that can now be shared with upper leadership. They're looking for somebody that is a multitasker, someone who has experience in social media management is preferred, but it's not required. They're looking for bachelor's degree in marketing, communications, or related field. For this particular role, they are looking for a bachelor's degree. However, if you notice, all of the experiences are all preferred. So they are not looking for you to have any experience, but should you have them, it will just be an additional, which can potentially help you stand out and get the job. So that is the second position. We're going to move on to the next role, which is a system support specialist. This is very similar to the application support specialist. The only difference with this one is that they're looking for folks to work the Eastern time zone. And with this position, the salary is $18 to $19 per hour, and it is based on qualifications, training on all systems, very similar. They provide you with your equipment and so forth. With this particular role, just as the title implies, you're going to really be engaged in the EHR system for the organization, which is the electronic health records. So you're going to be responsible for managing health records to ensure that there are no violations with retrieval and so forth. You're going to help to prioritize issues. You're going to escalate as needed. You're going to be helping to transfer files, especially during system changes from the main electronic health system into subsystems, making sure people have access to the system, providing education, providing training, auditing as well to make sure things are going as they should. They're looking for you to have strong communication skills, customer skills, knowledge of web applications such as SaaS. They're looking for you to be knowledgeable in HIPAA rules. Also, high school diploma is what they're looking for. Fluency in Spanish is a plus, but it's not required. And the minimum of 1 year prior experience in customer service or data entry. So, data entry is a big part of this role. You are not going to be on the phone with this one. However, you will be providing support to internal staff, which will be your customers in this case. We are now at the last job, which is the event coordinator role. The event coordinator role, you are going to be coordinating events. So, with this position, they are looking for someone that resides in Houston, Texas, because on occasion they will need this individual to come into the Sugarland, Texas office. With this position, you are going to be helping to coordinate different events, in person, virtual, and so forth. So, that is really your focus. So, bachelor's degree is preferred. Again, just a preference, but it's not required. And then you have experience with Microsoft Office. As I said before, that is important because you're going to be doing a lot of budgeting as well. So you do need Excel, you do need Word, and so forth. So they are looking for 1 to 2 years of event support, both virtually and in person, 1 to 2 years, but that's a preference, but it's not required. There are like a lot of skills, experience that you're looking for on here. However, one thing that quickly jumped out to me is that even though they're saying bachelor's degree, they do have it as preferred, but there is no education requirement for this role. No specific call out for education requirement, which is another benefit. So definitely go ahead and submit your application. Would you be interested in any of this? And the salary is $23 per hour. So it's not bad at all. Again, $23 per hour. You get all the equipments. You are trained as well. So really, really cool, guys. Those are the opportunities for this video. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Till next time, I wish you all the very best of luck, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.